Hello, this is our Group 4 Wiki page. We'll be describing the appendicular muscles of the upper limbs. In each part, we're going to describe the movements, examples, innervation, and surface anatomy of whatever muscle is involved. So in part 1, we'll talk about the muscles moving the scapulae at the sternoclavicular joint and the acromioclavicular joints. That'll be described by Gabrielle and Jani. In part 2, we'll focus on the muscles moving the arm at the glenohumeral joint, and that'll be described by Jani and Hunter. In part 3, we'll move down to the movements of the forearm at the humeral ulnar joint by Kiera and Shida. And finally, in part 4, we'll talk about the movement at the hand at the radiocarpal joint and the movements of the fingers, and that'll be explained by Shida and I, Jocelyn. And we'll be using many of the terms that we learned back in Module 4, Week 6, the pectoral girdle and upper limbs, to describe the movements of these muscles.